This porch has collapsed. I'm gonna see how it's connected, see what I have to do to put it back up. If I'm able to put it back up, or if it's able to be put back up. I'm sure it is. See what we can get going here. They said it was attached to the gutter. Looks like it might have been attached to the gutter. Let me see, it's hot out here today. But then again, I don't know. I don't see no hose in the bottom of it. It might not be. I'm not for sure. I'll have to check that. Okay, but the gutter is attached to the fascia here. And it looks like, okay, it looks like there's nail holes here. These are probably the studs. They look like they're on the 16, so if it was attached to the gutter, it's attached to the wall also. So that's a good thing. Okay, so I need some 4x4s for support. Probably just on the back, the front supported by them iron rails. So yeah, and then I need some screws. Some indoor, outdoor, probably to reach the studs, probably some 3 or 4 inch screws. Get some 4-inch. That'll give about 2.5, 3 inches of penetration. Looks like it's scratched. The paint job here. Okay. Looks like this piece of gutter needs to be replaced. I don't think it's going to be I don't know if we should put that back up. We should just get a new 10-foot section aluminum gutter. Okay, looks like we might need a new section of down. Spout is pretty banged up. Okay. And I'll take one of them out and see what size they are. I'm pretty sure it's a 5-inch gutter, white aluminum. We can paint that, probably just get a new one. I'll ask her. I mean, I don't know which one to do, MS. Okay. I'll take one of these out. So for support. Looks like we're gonna need 2 4x4 posts and probably a 10-foot 2x6 just support this side. It's pretty stable when we connect it back. We might need a new rail. When I get this back up, I'll see how it's holding up. But it looks like it might be okay. It's not bent up, so we'll probably be able to use that again. Okay. Let me see. Yep, here's the bolts right here that were screwed into the wall, it looks like. Man, they didn't go very far in the wall, did they? Okay, but them are... I'm gonna take one out, and I'll probably get some, but I'll get them like 1 inch longer. And just put that back up like that. Okay, so let me take one out and see what size they are. So the supply list is 2 10-foot 4x4 posts. One, probably get a 2x8 just to be safe. 10-foot 2x8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 screws. 1 10-foot section downspout. 2 45s, one outlet. Make that 3 45s. White 5-inch gutter. Probably 1, 2, 3 gutter hangers. And that will probably be it for this. Okay. So yeah, we'll be able to get that back up today. All right, success. I don't know if you're watching or not, but we can get this done today. All right, bye.